Question 7, we've been asked to write 3.6 multiplied by 10 to the 3 in a product of its powers of its prime factors. We've first of all got to remove this decimal, and we've got to do it by multiplying by 10. I can write this as 3.6 multiplied by 10, but where do I get that 10 from? Well, I get it from 10 cubed, which now turns into 10 squared. So this is equal to 36 multiplied by 10 squared. Now a little bit of side work. I want to work out the factors of 36. 2 will go into 36, leaving 18. 2 will also go into 18, leaving 9. 3 now, 3 will go into 3, and we're down to 1. So I can say, therefore, 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And 10 squared is equal to 5 times 2 squared, which is equal to 5 times 5 times 2 times 2. That square affects both of the terms within that bracket. So bringing it all together, I can say that 3.6 multiplied by 10 cubed is equal to these factors and these factors. So this is 2 to the power 4 multiplied by the 3's, 3 squared multiplied by 5 squared. And that is your answer.